What's the meaning of bowl? Bowl. Bowl.
Bowl. Bowl. Bowl can refer to a number of different things, but it is most commonly used to describe a round, shallow dish or container used for serving food. Bowls come in many different sizes and materials, from small ceramic bowls used for condiments to large metal bowls used for mixing ingredients in baking. Bowls can also be used in sports, such as bowling or football, where the objective is to knock down objects or score points by getting an object into a designated area. Overall, the term bowl typically refers to a circular, concave object used for various purposes, particularly in food service and sports.